Love you all. Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Well, I had some questions from my subscribers that they were not able to withdraw their Bitcoin successfully from the cryptotab browser. Well, I'm here with a solution for you today. So all you need in order for you to successfully withdraw your Bitcoin is one, you need to have your cryptotab installed on your phone. And if you don't know about cryptotab, you've not heard of the browser that you use to earn Bitcoin by just surfing through the web, watching videos, well, you're lucky for finding this video, because I'll be dropping a link down below in the description box where you can click the link and download the cryptotab browser. So in order for us to withdraw, as you can see, this is our current amount of Satoshis. This is our current amount of Satoshis, 3,390. So we are in line. Then in order for you to be able to withdraw, I have a trick up my sleeves that will help you guys in successfully withdrawing your cash or your Bitcoin directly to any wallet of your choice. So guys, if you are about to withdraw, or you are interested in withdrawing, or you want to withdraw to see if the cryptotab really works, well guys, the trick there is, before I say the trick, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel and expect more videos from me. So then the trick there is, you won't click this place where you see withdraw BTC. In order for you to withdraw successful, you will not click this place they wrote withdraw BTC. Do not withdraw through this button, guys. Do not withdraw through this button. So once this is known, then you have to go to this button right here. First of all, you just click any of their news, or you go to the affiliate dashboard. You leave the withdraw button up there, then you come down to the affiliate dashboard. When you come to the affiliate dashboard, you click it. Okay guys, now we are now in the affiliate dashboard. Then it is through this affiliate dashboard you can successfully withdraw your BTC. Guys, make sure you click through the affiliate dashboard link before you click withdraw BTC. So guys, as you are here now, then it is in this page where you can click this withdraw BTC, and I assure you it will withdraw successful. So guys, I clicked the withdraw BTC, and so guys, we're in the withdraw BTC page where you'll be able to withdraw your Bitcoin successfully. Yes, so guys, my Bitcoin address is already installed there, so you just have to put the amount. I just want to do this for just the tutorial purpose. 1845. I'll go with this. Then you press go. Then guys, make sure you verify you are not a robot, because some people just leave that place thinking it will withdraw by itself, but you need to confirm you're not a robot, so the withdrawal process will move as smooth as possible. When you click the I'm not a robot, it's either you complete some captchas or you be verified at once. If you are new to withdrawing, you will be asked to verify some captchas. So guys, it's loading. Okay guys, it is done verifying, and as you can see, there is a blue, there is a green, marker here, which is to tell you I am not a robot. Then guys, you click. When that is done, you make sure you tap this withdrawal button. Tap the withdrawal button as soon as you have been verified as a robot. Now guys, as you all can see here, the withdrawal is complete or has been successfully completed. And as you can see, your transaction is complete. Check your wallet. Guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'm sure if you try this and put it into practice and do it 2 or more times, I'm sure you'll be able to withdraw successfully on cryptotab. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Peace out.